We all have habits of dealing with people, and they're good. There's nothing wrong with your habits, but there's one you really have to reevaluate. In dealing with people, we tend to deal with the people we know. We tend to deal with the people we like. We tend to deal with the people we're comfortable with, the same ethnicity, the same language. In security work, that is not going to work. In police work, that's not working. The opportunity you have in going into security is to put in an effort to deal with the people you don't even like. People who are rude, people who are nasty, people who you're not comfortable with. You have to reach out to them because you never know when what is going to happen, and you'll have to deal with them in a critical situation. Your objective should become, wherever you work, you want to become their security officer. You're the person who's providing the leadership, because that really is what security and security functions is about. It's about people calling you and they're using a 4-letter word called help. You can't help them if you don't like them, and they won't want your help if they don't like you. And you're the one in the driver's seat. Got it?